Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might be wondering how to move your XDC tokens from Coinbase to your Coinbase wallet. XDC, the native token of the Shin-Fin network, is a popular choice for fast and secure transactions. Today, I'll walk you through this process step by step, so you can do it confidently and avoid any common pitfalls. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have both a Coinbase account and a Coinbase wallet set up. You'll need to have some XDC in your Coinbase account and the exact wallet address ready. Always double check that you're using the correct network. For XDC, that's the Shin-Fin network, as using the wrong one could lead to lost funds. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and find the Assets or Portfolio section. Locate XDC in your list of holdings. Step 2. Select XDC and click on the Send or Withdraw option. You'll be prompted to enter a recipient address. Open your Coinbase wallet app or website, go to the XDC section, and copy the wallet address. Paste this address into the recipient field on Coinbase. Step 3. Enter the amount of XDC you want to send. Be mindful of any network fees. In 2025, these might vary based on congestion, so check the estimated fees before proceeding. Review all the details carefully to ensure everything is accurate. Step 4. Hit the Confirm button to initiate the transfer. You'll receive a confirmation email or notification. Now, switch over to your Coinbase wallet and refresh it to see your XDC arrive. This usually takes a few minutes, but it can vary. A quick tip. Always verify the wallet address multiple times to prevent sending to the wrong place. That's irreversible in crypto. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred XDC from Coinbase to your Coinbase wallet. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.